Hello dear Goinkans, I hope everybody is fine. Dear kids, today we are going to solve exercise 9, that's on page 58, and all the questions are to be done on the notebook. This exercise is also based on the formula that it is written here. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the formula that we use for the verification of the division. Whenever we divide any number by another number, the number we divide is the dividend, by which we divide is the divisor. The number we get at the top is the quotient, and the number that is left behind is the remainder. And here you can see the first question, part A. It's 845 is to be divided by 26, and when we divide it we get 32 as the quotient and 13 as remainder. Then we go for its checking and we put the values of D, Q and R in the formula from the equation. And here you can see D is 26, Q is 32 and R is 13. So it's done here, and here you can see the values are substituted and calculated. When we multiply 26 and 32, we get 832 as their product, and then we add remainder to it and we get 854, that is the dividend. So it means our division is correct. Likewise, in B part, 754 is to be divided by 53, 14 is obtained as quotient and 12 as remainder. So in verification you can see that dividend has been obtained after multiplying 53 and 14, we get 754, and when we add 12 to it we get 754, that is the dividend. Other parts are to be done in the same way. In question number 2 and question number 3, we have been given the word problems and we have to solve each, and both of them are based on the division. Question number 2 goes like this, that 648 tourists have to be transported from the airport to the railway station in buses. If 24 people can sit in a bus, how many buses will be required? If we have to transport these number of people from airport to railway station, and we have to transport them through buses, and in each bus we can accommodate 24 people, we need to calculate how many buses do we require. And of course it will be done after we divide 648 by 24. That division is done roughly, and quotient is obtained as 27. That means we require 27 buses to transport 648 tourists. Next question is, in a chocolate factory 5,678 chocolates are produced in a day. They are packed in boxes of 100 chocolates each. How many boxes are packed and how many chocolates are left over? So the number of chocolates we have been given, and we have to pack the chocolates. In each box we can pack 100 chocolates, and we have to say how many boxes are packed and how many chocolates are remained left over. How many chocolates are left over? That means we have to divide the total number of chocolates that are produced by 100. And all of you know, when we divide any number by 100, the last two digits are the remainder and the rest of the digits are quotient. That means here remainder is 78 and quotient is 56. It means 56 boxes are packed and 78 chocolates are left unpacked. That is what we have done here, but we have shown here the division roughly as well. You can write the solution directly as well, and you can show this as well. Both are fine. With this the video is over, and we have done exercise 9 in this. Thank you very much dear kids. Allah Hafiz.